Are you struggling with scoped packages in your Node.js project? It can be really frustrating when you want to keep your dependencies clean, but they keep dragging in unwanted files. Today, we're going to tackle how to ignore the Node modules directory of scoped packages during npm install. I totally get it. You have a repository with a package.json file and a .npm ignore file, yet when you install a scoped package, it still pulls in all those extra dependencies. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar issues. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked, "How can I ignore scoped packages Node modules directory during npm install?" They provided their package.json and .npm ignore files, but despite their efforts, unwanted files are still being included. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's happening here? When you install a scope package, npm looks at the dependencies listed in the package.json file. If those dependencies have their own dependencies, npm installs them too, regardless of your .npm ignore settings. This can lead to a cluttered Node modules directory. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your dependencies more effectively. To address the issue of scoped packages being included during installation, the user should first ensure that their .npm ignore file is correctly set up. The current configuration is intended to ignore everything except the dist directory. Next, the user should consider using the package.json file to specify which files to include when publishing the package. This can help control what gets installed with the package. After updating the package.json file, the user should publish the package again. This step is crucial to ensure that the changes take effect. Finally, the user can test the installation of the package in another repository. They should run the npm install command and verify that only the desired files are included. Fun fact, did you know that npm stands for Node Package Manager? It's the default package manager for Node.js and has become an essential tool for developers worldwide. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the npm ignore file is not relevant to your issue. It only controls what gets published to the npm registry. The problem may lie in your npm configuration or an outdated npm version. To resolve the issue, make sure you are using the latest version of Node and npm. Also, check your npm configuration by running the command npm get legacy bundling. It should return false. Finally, if you're still facing issues, test by running npm install @private.a in an empty folder to see if the problem persists. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. This user suggests that if your package doesn't need certain dependencies to run, you can list them under the dev dependencies field in your package.json. This way, those dependencies will only be installed when you run npm install inside the plugin directory. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution provided by a user is to lock your dependency using npm shrinkwrap. This command helps to ensure that your package's dependencies are fixed to specific versions, preventing unwanted scoped packages from being installed. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly review your package.json and .npm ignore files to ensure they reflect your current project needs. This habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these strategies, you should be able to manage your scoped packages more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights.